So this will be the final result that I have shown you in comparison of the instant pickups. So hello everyone and welcome back to the channel again. So in this video I'll be reviewing you between the comparison between the old and the new. So let me first turn off these switches. So as compared to this, I will be showing you first what upgrades you are getting in this bike. So basically your price is more to around 37 to 35k more regarding to this. So in this price range, so regarding the high price range, so you will be getting around the new chassis, which is different in both this separate chassis and this is the fixed chassis, as you know already. And regarding the aerodynamics, you can see here you have this one regarding the aerodynamic. Also the chassis is more aerodynamic as well regarding to this. And also wheels, so you are getting here the upgrade version of the wheels, which is the lightweight. As you can see, here is nothing, the rod is not here, but here is the rod. So in terms of weight reduction, here you go. And also this is the apex version of the WB suspension, but this is not. And this model have the upgraded disc brakes, which is some millimeters bigger regarding to this. You have the for your nice brakes, aggressive brakes kind of. And this is your seats, which is the most important part regarding your comfortable and stuffs. So this has no separation regarding the Allen keys, so you have to change open your seats regarding with using your Allen key. But this has, as you can see here, you are getting here a key, so you will be opening with the key and you will come out. That's the that will save you your time. So, and this is the rear version, the tail lamp. Here you go with the new tail lamp, and here you go with the old tail lamp. So personally I will go for this tail regarding to this. And some important facts about this bike is that you will be getting your foot pegs and the gear levers like this. So whenever your bike falls, so you will be saving around 1000 rupees. When regarding that, it will break in the new old version, and this will not break. And as I have said in the test ride video, so you will be getting the adjustable WB suspensions as well, and the adjustable handlebars, so you can adjust your own way how your riding position is. And also this mirror, which is reversible like this, like the super bikes. So if this falls, it will go like this, and but here it will break, which will cost you around 2000, but this will be saving your 2000 bucks. So that's the main comparison. And last, which is the most important, you are getting the TFT console. And fuel tank is around, this is the metal version of the fuel tank, but this is the plastic version. Here your tank capacity is around 9 kilometers, and here you will be getting the around 13 liters of tank. So for long journey, here you go with the advantage. And front look, it's the upgraded version of the look, and you are getting the LED headlights like the 390, and the DRL is like this. And here in the old version you are getting the DRLs like this. And the indicators, you know, in the old model here is your indicator, but in the new one the indicator is in the headlight as well. So that's the basic comparison between the old and the new. And regarding the speed, which I have shown you in the earlier video, so this has less kilometer experience regarding to this. So at instant, its power is kind of same. Whenever this bike will gain the experience with the kilometers and stuff and the RPM range, so you will be getting kind of same similarities in the instant drag. But in the mid range, this has no RPM locks. But here you will get the RPM lock, which is around 137 kilometers or 138, but this will go on and on and on. So that's the main thing. So here you go, difference between the this and this. কোনখন ভাল লাগিছে? কোনখন ভাল লাগিছে? এইটো এইটো ভাল লগা নাই নি? এইটো লাগিছে হয়নে? এইটো খুলিলে ভাল লাগিব নে? এইকেইটা খুলিলে ভাল লাগিব নে? এইটো খুলিলে ভাল লাগিব নে সেইটো নিচিনা হয়নে? RC KTM RC এইটো পুৰণা ভাৰ্চনটো, এইটো নতুন মডেলটো। কোন ভাল লাগিছে? নতুনটো ভাল লাগিছে। তো তাহাঁতি কৈছে নতুনটো ভাল লাগিছে বুলি। So they are saying that the new version is looking pretty much very much good. So here you go with the comparison between the two bikes, and let me tell you, the new bike has more stabilization, stable on the road regarding the old. And one more thing, this has less vibration regarding to that, because it has two capillars and that has one. That's why it has the in short your RPM will be not locked like the 250 and the 390 new version, but this will lock. So that's the difference between one caliper, that's the old, and the two capillars, this is the new. So that's the main point. So that's my point of view with the comparison between the old one and the new one. I like to thank this video to the people from KTM Dibrugarh. So they helped me out with these 3 videos, I think, part by part. So they helped me out with this, and you can actually contact those guys. I will give the numbers in the description below, so you will be easy enough if you contact them regarding their pricing and other stuffs, installment, down payment. So that part will be done by them, so I'll be giving you the contact details in the description below. So, and the last thing is that most of you guys think the old or new version of the RC is kinda dull in regarding photos and videos. So let me just tell you, I also thought like that beforehand. So when I personally saw the bike in reality, and also and big brother my Florence, so he also thought the same thing. So whenever when he saw the bike in person he saw the bike, so he was like, in photo it's different, in real it's different. So for me actually, if I tell you, whenever if you buy this RC 200 new model, if you means if you remove the mudguard, tail tidy, and the passenger handle that's given in the bike, then it will definitely look like RC8 to KTM RC8. So it's the main concept of the bike is the RC8. If you remove all those which is installed in the rear part of the bike, it will definitely look like RC8. If you have watched the videos from Rock Burgers doing stunts in the RC 390 new model, you will definitely get the idea. So that was it, and thank you for watching this video. And I'll make this video, some of the videos in English and some of the videos in Assamese, like that, so that I get used to it. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next one. And some of the videos I have already made before, but I have not uploaded it yet, so they might be in the futures. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.